Smartphone enthusiasts, get ready for a game changer. Samsung is gearing up to redefine the limits of innovation with its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. As the countdown to the official launch ticks away, leaks and revelations are painting a vivid picture of a lineup that could set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. With groundbreaking camera advancements, cutting-edge design, and unparalleled performance, the Galaxy S25 is poised to become the most talked-about device of the year. First, let's set the stage. Samsung has confirmed its Unpacked 2025 event, scheduled for January 22nd and 23rd in San Francisco, USA. This two-day event promises to showcase the Galaxy S25 lineup in all its glory. The excitement is palpable as prototype models of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have started making the rounds, hinting at a design that's both refined and futuristic. One of the standout innovations is Samsung's newly unveiled ISOCELL Elope camera technology. This revolutionary feature reimagines zoom lens functionality by reconfiguring the lens structure atop a prism, drastically reducing the size of the zoom module without sacrificing performance. This achievement allows for greater zoom capabilities in a slimmer design, a feat previously thought to be impossible. This technology could make its grand debut in a sleek new model, tentatively dubbed the Galaxy S25 Slim, a phone that's both slender and powerful. That's the promise on the horizon. Let's talk specifics. The Slim model is rumored to boast a 200-megapixel main camera with an ISOCELL HP5 sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel 3.5x zoom lens powered by the Elope technology. These specs could set a new standard for photography in slim-profile smartphones, offering users professional-grade imaging capabilities without the bulk. Moving beyond the cameras, the Galaxy S25 series is also leveling up in performance. For the first time, the base model is rumored to feature 12 gigabytes of RAM, a significant leap from its predecessor. This upgrade ensures smoother multitasking and a faster overall user experience, making even the base variant a formidable contender. Considering the popularity of the Galaxy S24 base model, this strategic improvement could further cement Samsung's dominance in the mid-range flagship segment. Meanwhile, the Ultra model is shaping up to be a powerhouse, packed with features designed for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. From improved battery efficiency to enhanced AI-driven software capabilities, the Ultra variant is expected to push the envelope in every way possible. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 lineup embraces elegance and durability. Early leaks suggest the devices will feature slimmer bezels, more vibrant displays, and a sturdier build, making them both visually stunning and highly functional. This refinement in design complements the enhanced performance, creating a seamless blend of style and substance. The Galaxy S25 series isn't just about hardware, though. Samsung is likely to introduce software updates that optimize productivity, security, and customization. Whether it's an improved user interface, extended software support, or smarter integrations with wearable devices, Samsung's ecosystem approach ensures the Galaxy S25 lineup will deliver a holistic user experience. As anticipation builds, it's clear Samsung is pulling out all the stops to make the Galaxy S25 series the defining smartphone of 2025. Whether it's the cutting-edge camera technology, the upgraded performance, or the stunning design, every detail is geared toward creating a device that appeals to a wide spectrum of users, from casual consumers to tech aficionados. That's the inside scoop on the Galaxy S25 series. With so many exciting features rumored to be on the horizon, it's hard not to get swept up in the excitement. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the big reveal. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.